Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial number 104, and in this tutorial we will model this part. As you can see that I have already modeled it, and I will show you from the scratch how you can model it. So I will close this file and create a new file. You can also visit my website mechnexus.com, where I write articles and tutorials on FreeCAD. You can download my tutorial source file from here, tutorial source file page, and you can also support me by buying a cup of coffee on ko-fi.com. Your small support will help this channels to grow, and it will motivate me to create more awesome content on FreeCAD. I thanks to all my supporter, those who have supported me by buying a cup of coffee. So keep supporting, and it will help me to grow this channel, and it will motivate me to create more awesome and useful tutorials on FreeCAD. So let's come back to our tutorial. So here I have created a new file, and I will switch to the part design workbench, and here I will create a body and then click on create a sketch. So first sketch which will we create is on the right plane, so we will select this right plane and click on the sketch, and we will create this basic profile. So for this we will select the polyline tool, and we will create a rough profile. Now delete the conflict, and now we will give the dimension. We will select this horizontal dimension and give the value 32, and this vertical height of 12 mm, and this vertical height of 22, and this will be of 60, and this is of the 10 mm, and this angle is of 150. So our sketch is fully constrained, and now we will close it, and we will extrude it to the distance of 45. So click on the pad, provide the value 45, select symmetric to the plane, click on OK, press 0 for isometric, and now we will select a mid plane and create this pad. So we will select on the origin, select this mid plane and click on the sketch, project this, and we will switch to the wireframe. Now select the line tool, and we will create a rough profile, and we will add the fillet of R10, select the right plane, and go to the smart dimension, select this radius and provide the value 10, and this angle is of 130. So we will project it and create angular dimension and give it 130, and select dimension, select this point and this line and provide the dimension of 30. Now our sketch is fully constrained. Press V7 for shaded view and create extrude of 10 mm. Click on extrude and click here symmetric to the plane, click on OK, and now Now we will select a mid plane and create this profile. So we will on the origin plane and select this plane and click on the sketch, and we will off the plane. And now we will click on the project geometry and project it, and switch to the wireframe view. Select the line tool and draw the horizontal line, and here remove this conflict and select a 3-point arc and make it tangent, and select the line tool and close this profile and make it tangent. Select a vertical dimension and select this line, and this is of 26 mm, and select horizontal line, and this is of 30 mm, and now this radius is of R10. So our sketch is fully constrained. Press V7 and select the sketch, click on extrude and extrude to the 33 mm and click here symmetric to the plane. And now this seems to be separate solid, so go to the pad and set refine is true, and now we will create this cut. So for this we will select this top face and click on the sketch, switch to the isometric, switch to the top, rotate it, and here we will create a rectangle. And now click on the symmetric, select this and this, and delete the conflict and select this and provide the horizontal dimension of 50 mm, and this is the symmetric, so we will provide it to the 13 mm. Click on close and click on extrude cut, and from here say it true all, say OK. Now press 0 for isometric, and now here we will create this hole. So we will select this face and click on the sketch, click on the project geometry, select the circle, and from here select diameter, so wide diameter of 10. Select the sketch, click on extrude cut and say it through all, say OK. Now we will create this hole, so select the face and click on the sketch, click on project geometry, select the circle and create a circle, and this is of 8 mm. Click on close, click on extrude cut, say it through all. Now at the end we will create these two holes. So for this we will select the face and click on the sketch, switch to the isometric, switch to the front, and here we will create a two circle, and we will use the symmetricity, and we will make this center symmetric with respect to this axis. And now select the horizontal dimension, select this, and this will be vertical, select this, and provide a dimension of 21, and click on this edge to project it. Now provide the vertical dimension of 10 mm. And now this is of dia 9, which we can see here. So we will select diameter, provide the 9 mm, and select this and made it equal. Click on close and click on cut and say it true all. The hole given here, you can make it with the help of this hole wizard tool, but these are the plain drill hole, that's why I made in a sketch. So this completes our model, and we will provide the similar color. So go to the appearances, select the shape, and we will provide approximate color with respect to our part. So this is a more or less similar color to our part, and this completes our tutorial. If you have liked this tutorial, then please like, subscribe and share my channel, and also support me on coffee.com. You can buy me a cup of coffee, link is given in a video description. Your small support will help these channels to grow, and it will motivate me to create more awesome content on FreeCAD. So this is all about this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your valuable time.